So this is Amal, and in this video I will explain to you how you can use reservation signing in your document. This is specifically important for documents such as the board meeting minutes, in which the members could have reservations on specific clauses or parts of the document. Let's begin by uploading the board meeting minutes from our local device to explain the steps on it. Once it is fully uploaded, click on Next to start adding your participants' information. Say, for example, we're going to add 2 participants or 3. Say, for example, the chairman of the board and the CEO. And we'll add a third one as well, which is the board member. And once you add all of the board members and the signers' information, click on Next to start placing the fields on the document. So in this part, let's say, for example, we have a specific clause that we need the board members to have their signature on. By going to the left sidebar right here, under the signature fields, we have something called the reservation signing. Add this for all of the members. So beginning with the chairman. And then switch to the CEO from the drop down and add another reservation signing field for the CEO. And finally, for the board member as well. And complete the steps by reviewing and sending the document. Once the signers access the document to begin signing on it, they will be taken to the reservation signing field that is assigned to them. So by clicking on the assigned reservation signing field, as you can see, there is an additional part that is added under the signature, which is reservation. So here, the board member, the chairman, or the CEO can add a comment on the part that they have signed in. So let's say, for example, we're going to add the signature, and then let's see here, signed with reservation on this clause, which helps clarify, let's say, the point of view that the chairman, the CEO, or the board member have on this specific clause. By clicking on Insert, it will be reflected the audit trail in specific for the document owner to see. So we're going to finish the document. Is going to be added under the audit trail with the reservation note that is highlighted by the signer.